Okay, so...
Ještě zvednout nebo takto?
Nah. Is it okay like that?
Yeah. Do we need to move the monitor?
No.
Move the piece of paper. Or can we cut part of the frame?
Yes.
Well, let's remove it.
Okay. The monitors. Yes, you can put them to the side.
This one, yeah?
Almost.
To běží, takže...
Jo, dobrý. You can start.
Okay. I work at the University of Namur, at the Namur Nanosafety Center. At there, we are one of the transnational access facilities where we provide transnational access for other users to come and use our facilities. We provide the transnational access on physicochemical characterization as well as in vitro exposure. We have state-of-the-art techniques such as DCS and PIXI for physicochemical characterization, as well as a platform for proteomics, genomics, and cell culture incubation with various tissues for in vitro exposure. I would recommend the transnational access because it gives an opportunity from the user to learn from our experience as well as us learning from their experience. And one of the advantages that the users will have is that it is totally a fully funded program. So there is a chance to enhance the level of research done.
Perfect. Thank you.
Jestli můžu... Ještě, jestli můžete trošku posunout. Jestli můžete trošku posunout, no takhle, doprava a doleva tu kamerku, ale tu kamerku to je tak o centimetr možná.
Jo.
Super, bezvadný, už tam nic nepřekáží. Ono to bylo nepatrně vidět, ale takhle už není nic vidět. Dobrý.
Ručno.
Can I start?
Yes.
Where do I look? There? Oh.
Yeah. Oh, straight ahead.
My name is Francesco Turci. I work at Torino University in Italy, and I was a UCD transactional access user. It was a very great experience to me. The UCD staff has been very supportive in all the phases before presenting before asking for fund, and during all my period there. I should stop and read all the the other questions because there were many.
It's
The
a flow through. It's a flow through. Maybe just say what's the background very quickly.
The background of what?
Your research.
Okay.
What you wanted to do, and then
Yeah. Okay. I contacted UCD staff because I wanted to do some research of synthetic nanoquartz particles. And they are one of the state-of-the-art facility about bio-nano interaction. The instrument I applied for were bio-TEM microscopy, scanning electron microscopy, protein corona analysis, differential scanning centrifugation, and high-content analysis for cell tox. Okay, the visit at UCD has been very useful. I learned a lot. I learned important protocols in processing my samples. The results has been excellent, and they are not published yet, but hopefully they will be published soon. Okay.
Can I ask you?
I highly recommend transactional access at UCD or even in the other transactional access facility. It's fully covered, and if your proposal is supported, is founded, you don't really have to think about anything else but science.
Maybe if you can say, if you feel like, but just say that it was very useful for you because you didn't have the equipment in your university, and through transnational access you had access to the facilities, and UCD has the facilities that you were interested in.
Okay, it was kind of imboccato. Now, participating in TIA transnational access has been very useful because otherwise I would never have the opportunity to access those instrumentation, high quality instrumentation, and that's it.
Yeah.
Okay.
Jenom chviličku. Počkejte chviličku.
Tak Francisco.
Ano.
Jenom chviličku, my tady ještě něco přepneme.
Jo.
Is it good or bad thing?
No, I need to switch something, and then we will be able to continue. So hold on. I'm gonna tell you when to start. So, right. Like so.
Můžeme.
Okay.
Okay, my name is Linda Stör. I'm a PhD student at the University of Salzburg, and I visited the Karlsruhe Institute of Technology. And I was there to use their exposure system in order to expose human lung epithelial cells at the air-liquid interface to a nanoparticle aerosol. And for me, this visit was really important and really useful because in my PhD thesis, I'm dealing with the adoption of cell-based assays for on-site exposure to assess the effects of airborne nanoparticles. And since we do not have this kind of exposure system at our university, it was great for me to get this opportunity in Karlsruhe. I would also highly recommend using the transnational access facilities. Yes.
Why, just when you say why you would think that it's fully funded, that you have access maybe to experts and that it allows for networking?
Okay. Yeah, I would definitely recommend using this transnational access because it's fully funded. You will get access to great facilities with lots of experts around, and they really help you a lot with doing the experiments.
Sorry, can I just say, it's good that you say fully funded, but it's better that you say it at the end. Because it's great because it's free, but by the way, even the sign is not too bad. So just if you say first that the scientific throughput and you have access to equipment, but also technical expertise,
Okay.
and then it's also fully funded.
Okay.
Take two.
I would definitely recommend using this transnational access facility because it gives you access to instruments which you do not have at your home institution, and also it allows you to talk to experts which are around and which help you a lot, and also because it's fully funded.
Perfect.
Anything else? So I didn't publish anything yet, but so.
Okay, that's okay.
Yeah, I think that's perfect.
Yep.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Jenom chviličku.
Ano.
Make sure some food left for us.
Okay,
Yeah, you can. Go.
Ne, to bude.
Mm-hmm.
Did you find the same?
I was facing up to that way.
Maybe that. Francesco, you know Stefan, like the TA, the music and the JFC, it was the first one of the session. Yes, we left.
Můžem.
Can you see his
Ano, děkuji.
And can you get Sergio?
Yeah.
Sergio's thinking. Where's he go?
Oh. Sorry, it's right, but.
Just watch straight to the camera behind this window, so
Okay.
maybe you can step the same place as the others, so somewhere here. Yes, like that. Okay, so, yeah. Okay.
But I'm not a user, so what do I say? I just
No, just say that you offer visit to the two users. So you talk on behalf of a TA leader. You say, okay, we work in a TA networking, TA activities, and we offer. And then you had several visitors, and it's beneficial for.
Okay. Can start.
I'm Stefano Rubino. I talk on behalf of the Uppsala University North, and we will talk about the transnational access. And I would like to say it's a great opportunity for scientists all over Europe to come and visit our lab to get access to top-level instruments that they might not have at their own institution. And this framework program selects a scientific proposal based on the interest and on the capabilities we can offer, and it's fully funded, and it's a great opportunity for people to come. We had a few users already, and they were all very happy with the work they were able to do. It's a great opportunity also for us, because we learn from the users, we learn from their system, we learn new procedures, and they also learn something new about their samples and their materials. And I guess I would recommend it to everyone who has a problem in the QNano framework to try and get access to one of the institutions.
This part is very good. The last part is just say that you recommend for the people that don't have access to some facilities, and they might use the TA, the Transnational Access Networking, to use facilities in other labs in this lab.
So if you have a question that one of our nodes can address, I recommend that you apply. The procedure is quite simple, and we welcome you, and it will be a good opportunity for you to learn something that you may not have been able to learn otherwise.
Sounds good. Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank you. Sergio's here.
Oh, actually, Stefan, you want to go here?
Yeah, and then you can go back to lunch.
Sind wir da? Ja. Ja. Ja.
Okay, so now just if you can step back a little bit. Yes, that's perfect. It's almost perfect. And a little bit on the side. Yeah, that's great. That's great. Okay. So, you can start.
Okay, I'm Stefan Shimura. I had transnational access financed by QNano at the Joint Research Center in Ispra. We there used the cyclotron for our radio labeling of nanoparticles. It was a great experience. We had great help from the whole group there. It made our stay a joy, and also the scientific input to our research was quite fundamental. We will use their methods, and we also think of applying them ourselves at our home institute. I can just recommend the QNano Transnational Access Program for any user. They find some interesting facilities they want to join. It's really uncomplicated and works fine.
That's perfect.
Perfect.
Perfect. Thank you very much. And there's your visa application is easy. And then it's a network. Or whatever. Thanks, Sergio.
Okay, your microphone.
Sure.
What do you say?
Qualpinano is a research infrastructure funded by the European Union. Can we start again, sorry?
I mean, you say it's Quality Nano now.
Yeah, it's a great one.
Oh, yeah, okay. Wow.
1, 2, 3.
Qualpinano is a research infrastructure funded by the European Commission. It gathers the best laboratories in Europe to study nanomaterial characterization for nanosafety assessment. Qualpinano offers access to 15 top centers of characterization for nanomaterials. The application is very easy. The application can be done to these centers and has to be transnational, so people working in one European country have to apply to a different European country. And the application process goes through a peer-reviewed step and is a very, very good opportunity for accessing top level of characterization for nanomaterials and improving networking and collaborations among groups in Europe.
Would you just say that application is easy and it allows for networking? Application is easy?
I said that.
No.
Can you name the 4 technological categories? Nanomaterial synthesis. Just say that.
So Qualpinano offers access to 4 different categories. One is nanomaterial synthesis, nanomaterial labeling and post-processing, nanomaterial characterization in situ and ex situ, and exposure in different biological systems. I said the application was easy and it was not working.
Things that you didn't say TA offers.
Yeah, you need to stress transnational access offers. Because not now, what is it?
I said Qualpinano offers access transnationally.
Right.
Yeah, but it's all going to be edited, Sergio. That's the reason there won't be a positive review, like. Sorry. Oh, jeez.
Qualpinano transnational access offer access.
Yeah.
Qualpinano transnational access offers access to 15 top characterization sites in Europe.
You're very convincing.
Did you say that it's fully funded? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks, Sergio.
Do you talk as well?
I could see you really enjoyed that. Yeah, you have to talk, yeah.
I didn't know that it's...
I know, we didn't know that you were doing it. Surprise!
Yeah,
Well, Eugene didn't know he was coming to Prague.
Well, I
Surprise!
didn't know it was going to be so... Can you say? No, I'm going because now we...
Yeah.
What do we need to say? Just use it.
Yeah, you talk about GCP.
Do I need to introduce myself?
Yeah.
My name is Marco Monopoli and I'm a transnational access leader in UCD. UCD offers transnational access in the area of nanoparticle synthesis, labeling, nanoparticle characterization in situ and ex situ, and nanoparticle exposure assessment. UCD also offer UCD offer to TA users different facilities that goes from the nanoparticles labeling, proteomics, flow cytometry. What else? UCD offer several facilities to TA users that are in the range of they cover the area of proteomics, flow cytometry, imaging, and nanoparticle synthesis. Not very convincing, easy. UCD has received in the last 2 years several visitors from users from all over Europe that have successfully used our facilities for their own research. we have offered not only the access to equipment, but also our technological area of expertise, and we have fully supported. And the visit has been very successful and has led to publications and a strong network with the users. Anything else?
Did you say it's fully funded, yeah? And can you say something about networking that allows the community to network for something?
I say that. No. The users have found that the users have found the transnational access very useful because they not only have access to the equipment of the transnational access partner, but also they have access to the area of expertise of the facility. And also the access is fully funded, not only for the traveling and the staying during the visit, but also cover all the costs in the laboratory. And these activities has promoted really a strong networking with the users that have applied. Applying to transnational access in Quality Nano is extremely easy. There are only a few steps to follow. The first one is to go on the website www.qualitynano.eu, and each user or each potential user can find all the TA institutes, and also they can find the facilities in which they can apply. Then they need to be in contact with the transnational access leader to make sure that the plan they suggest is in agreement with the facility. Then they have to apply on internet. They submit their application. The application will be peer-reviewed by an external panel, and then they can. Applying for transnational access in Quality Nano is very easy. Everything is done on a website-based system. And the first step will require any potential user to look at the facilities in which they can apply. The website is www.qualitynano.eu. The second step will require the potential user to be in contact with the TA leader of interest, and then they have to make sure that their plan is feasible in the institutes of the visit. Then they have to apply on the website, and they submit the full application that will be peer-reviewed by an external panel. And then after that, they are ready to go. They can go and visit the institute of their choice. We feel that transnational access in Quality Nano is very, very useful for all the users that work within Europe, because it gives access to a lot of machines and area of expertise of the visitor center, and it also offers a fully funded access. I think I can stay here all day.
That's exactly what we were doing. He's never got to stop talking.
Okay.
He enjoys it.